Hi, welcome back to Konkani Khan and German. Please like, share, and subscribe to see more upcoming videos.
Surna suke. Surno or elephant foot yam can be used to make this awesome suke with an interesting flavor of jeera. This is one of my most favorite of sukes. If the stir frying is done with some patience, you can be assured of a very tasty side dish. We need a fresh surno. I have about 2 cups of it chopped like matchsticks. We also need about 3/4 cup of grated coconut, half teaspoon jeera, half teaspoon of tamarind paste. Add more if needed to nullify itching. Half teaspoon of haldi powder, some red chilies according to your spice level. For tempering, we need oil and mustard. Heat a kadai with oil, preferably coconut oil. Splatter the mustard seeds. Then add the sliced surno. Add very little water and salt to taste. Cover and let cook on low flame. Meanwhile, make a coarse paste of the rest of the ingredients, adding very little water. Keep stirring the surno in between. When this is almost cooked, add the coconut paste and mix well. Drizzle some more oil. Cover and let it get well roasted on low flame. Switch off when it's done like this. Now to enjoy your very lip-smacking lunch with sita, dalitoy and other dishes. So do try this out.
For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.